Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to put sound effects on CapCut. So this is a very easy tutorial. As you can see, this is how you put or add sound effect or audio to your CapCut file, video or picture. So the first step is you have to import and then drag the video below here, and you can change, you can zoom in, you can also set the ratio of that specific video. For example, if you want to post this to your TikTok account. Now, in order for you to add sound effect, you just have to go to audio. Let's just say you want to look for that specific sound or a specific background music to your video or sound effect, and then you can search it right here. For example, busy. Then there are tons, or there will be tons of a busy sound effect that you can see here. All you have to do is to listen. You can tap and then listen first before you add this. So if you have found the right one, the correct or the match sound effect to your video, all you have to do is to click plus and you will see it right here. So if you want to cut this, and then you just have to click the audio, go to split, tap this one, delete, and this is what it looks like. Now you can decrease the volume or increase. Everything is up to you. And apart from that, you can also add some fade in and fade out effect. So that's it. That's how you basically put sound effect to your CapCut or to your video. Another thing is you can import that music from your gallery, from your PC, for example, this one. And it's the same thing. You just have to drag it right here, cut this one, add some effect like fade in, fade out, and that's it. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.